If you are using ChatGPT only to ask random questions, you are wasting its power. I use ChatGPT every single day to save hours of work, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can be able to do that. Most people think that ChatGPT is just a fancy Google. Well, it's not. It's more like a personal assistant that can write, think, organize, and also plan for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you my daily working flow using ChatGPT, from morning planning to research and learning, so you can copy it and start saving time immediately.
Alright, so the first thing I use ChatGPT for is planning my day. Instead of staring at a to-do list and feeling overwhelmed, I let ChatGPT organize it for me. Okay, let's say I woke up in the morning, right, and I have a lot of things to do today, but I don't know where to start and how to go about it, right? All I have to do is just to come to ChatGPT and input my prompt. And this is what I wrote. I have these tasks today: reply to email, create a YouTube script, edit one video, post on social media, and study for 1 hour. Now, I now said organize them into realistic schedule with priorities and short breaks. Now, if you look closely, these are my tasks for today, right? This is what I want him to help me to organize, and this is how I want it to organize it for me. Now, if you look closely, you find out that it first lists the priority order, right? It first gave me the priority order before listing other things, right? Because that's what I requested for. You know what I like about this is that it doesn't just list tasks. It actually structures your day. This alone saves me 10 to 15 minutes every morning. So let's head to number 2, writing task. Now, I use ChatGPT for writing emails, message, scripts, ideas, everything, right? So, but let's use this as an example. Let's say I want to write an email to a client explaining a delay in delivery, right? All I have to do is just to come to ChatGPT and input my prompt, right? And this is what I wrote. Write a professional email to a client explaining a delay in delivery. Apologize politely and reassure them that the project will be completed within the next 48 hours. So I have to click on the search button to see the answer it will give us. Now this is the reply. It organized everything as an email, just like I requested, right? So if I want it to be like a WhatsApp message or normal message, right, I can just put in, organize this as a WhatsApp message. So instead of thinking about wording, I get a clean draft instantly. So all I have to do is just to copy this right up, right, and come to this particular place and edit it, add the customer name I want to send it to, then I'm done. So number 3, search and learning. Anytime I need to learn something new, I use ChatGPT like a private tutor. So let's say I want to go into cryptocurrency, right, and I want to learn more about it. All I have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and input my prompt. So this is what I wrote. Explain how cryptocurrency works in a simple terms, like I'm a complete beginner. So it's going to give me a beginner guideline on how cryptocurrency works. So all I have to do is just to click on search button and see the answer it will give us. You know what makes this powerful is that you can ask follow-up questions without feeling stupid. You can say, give me an example, show me step by step, explain that even simpler, right? This is how I learn faster than before. Next one is idea generation. When I feel stuck, I use ChatGPT as an idea machine. For example, let's say I want to start a side hustle business, right, with a low budget, but I don't know how to go about it and where to start from. All I have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and type in my prompts. Now this is what I wrote. Give me 20 side hustle idea. I can start with little or no money, right? So I have to click on search button to see the answer it will give us. Now instead of sitting and thinking, I let ChatGPT brainstorm for me. Then I pick the best ones. And mind you, this works for YouTube ideas, business ideas, side hustle ideas, even gift ideas, right? Now number 5, problem solving. Whenever I have a problem, I ask ChatGPT. So now, for example, let's say I have a problem being consistent with my content creating. Right, all I have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and input my prompt. Now, this is what I wrote. I'm struggling to stay consistent with content creating and managing my time. Ask me a question and help me find a practical solution. Now, this simply means that it will ask me some questions, and from my answer, it will find the problem and give me a solution to it. This particular prompt is extremely underrated. ChatGPT will break down your situation and help you think clearly. So the next one is summarizing and organizing. I also use ChatGPT to summarize long things so I don't have to read everything. So let's say I have this particular article that I want ChatGPT to organize and summarize for me, right? All I have to do is just to copy it and paste it on ChatGPT. Then click on search button and wait for the answer to load. So as you can see, it organized it how I'll be able to understand it. And guess what? I use this for articles, notes, long message, study material. It saves insane amount of time. So that's exactly how I use ChatGPT daily for planning, writing, learning, ideas, and problem solving. If you start using it this way, it becomes a tool, not a toy. And if you want more simple, practical ChatGPT tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the next video, because I will show you ChatGPT mistakes beginners make and how to fix them.